Wedding favor ideas can be as elusive as the perfect man. You can spend forever looking for the right one amongst a whole range that just don't seem quite right. Traditional wedding favor ideas might seem a little too predictable, or just not quite what you had imagined. So how can you think up wedding favor ideas that are just right for you? First of all, don't write off all traditional wedding favor ideas too quickly. They have earned their traditional wedding favors ideas status by proving ever popular. Perhaps the perfect wedding favor idea for you and your spouse might be a traditional one, but with a personal twist of your own. Instead of the traditional candle wedding favor idea, you might choose a novelty-shaped candle that represents something personal to you. Gardeners might enjoy the wedding favor idea of a candle flower in a pot, while animal lovers might like a dog or cat-shaped candle. You will want your favors to be as unique and special as your wedding day, and what better way to find wedding favor ideas than the ones you create yourself? Make your own wedding favors ideas can be difficult to come up with, but the trick is to create something that is representative of you. Think of make your own wedding favors ideas that speak to your own talents, or those of your spouse. Card makers might create a commemorate booklet, while musicians could produce a CD, or even write a special song. The best make your own wedding favors ideas are those that will remind your guests of something special about you and your new spouse. If all else fails, a good way to come up with new wedding favors ideas is to look at what others have used in the past. Tried and tested wedding favor ideas are often the best. Think about weddings you have attended in the past. What did you, as a guest, love and hate about particular wedding favor ideas? Just remember to find the wedding favor ideas that are meaningful to you. Because your guests will love your favor, so long as it reminds them of you and your special day. Looking for wedding favor ideas isn't easy, but worth it to get it right.